Hi, this is Ratnadeep, welcoming you all back. This is an age-old illusion, a very famous illusion known as oil and water. This represents oil, this represents water. It is said, no matter what you do, oil and water never mix. And this illusion is based on this conception. These three blue cards represent water, these three red cards represent oil. As we turn the face, we get to see all the three cards are having same face. They are all basically jokers, as you can see. So we take these three blues, they are water, these three reds, they are well. We'll try to mix them and see what happens. These three well, water, these three well. 1, 2, 3 well. 1 water, 2 water, 3 water. We square them. The top one being blue, they represent water. We keep them here. This being red represent well. What we'll do in the beginning, we'll pick 1 water, 1 well, 1 water, 1 well, 1 water, 1 well. And that is how they have thoroughly mixed. We simply square them, give them a little time, and then all well separates, all water separates. Well, let's do this experiment one more time with much more clarity. We take these 6 cards. There are 6. These 3, 1, 2, 3. These 3 well, red represents well. 1 blue, 2 blue, 3 blue, they represent water. Again, we take 3 blue cards, top 3, they are representing water. These 3 red cards we keep here representing well. Now we'll keep these 3 blue water, but before keeping we'll check all individual cards, each individual card, so that there is no confusion. So let us see. The first one is a blue. It goes here. Second one is another blue. Here it goes. Third one is another blue. Here it goes. Here, these are red cards. Let us check. It's a red. Represents well. It goes here. Second is another red. Here it goes. And third is another red. Here it goes. So, now we can start it. Here is 1 well, 1 water, 1 well, 1 water, 1 well, 1 water. So they have thoroughly mixed this time, as clear as that. We take them, square them, and then as we keep, all water and all well, they separate. No matter how you try to mix well and water, they separate themselves. They asked me, then what is the way to mix well and water? I said, see, once you mix them, they separate themselves. Why not to try to keep them separate and see what happens. Keep the well separate, keep the water separate, the 3, all 6 separate, and see then what happens. And then they mix together. Thanks for watching. This is all about this illusion. Hope you have enjoyed. And if you want to learn the tutorial, want to learn it in details, kindly join me on the tutorial part. And kindly subscribe to my channel for many more magical experiences like this. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to the tutorial part. This is Ratnadeep welcoming you. So let us understand this illusion in details and learn it. The best part of this illusion is this. It is done with just 6 cards. There is no extra card. There is no special card. They are all ordinary cards. As you can see, the face of all the cards are joker. And so you require 3 blue jokers and 3 red jokers. Each deck usually provides you with 2 jokers. So you have to buy 2 decks of blue cards, 2 decks of red cards. And that's how you will get 4 jokers, out of which you can use 3 from each piles. And we preferably use a good card, a strong card with a plastic coating on the rear side. So this illusion basically requires just a little sleight of hand and a measure of practice, and definitely you can perform it with an excellence to your spectators. So kindly watch it. So I have removed this oil container and water container for better clarity. Keep these 3 red cards which represent oil in one side, these 3 blue cards which represent water on the other side. So to begin with, show the faces that are identical face, they're same, and keep them like this. Then these 3 red cards representing well, show them, keep them like this. So as clear as that, square them, keep this red pile over it and take this entire pile. Now comes, you fan them out like this, then say 1 red, 2 red, 3 red, and once you take them back, keep 2 reds like this and take the 3rd red. Do not keep it over it, you just take it down. So this is how it becomes. From the rear front side is like this, on the rear side it is like this, and it creates a pocket here. As you can see, there is a gap. If you do like this, it's a gap. With your middle finger, if you push this card slightly, here makes a little gap, as you can see. Now you hold it like this, you cut 1 blue, you put this blue in this small gap. Can you see? Here is the gap, and here the first blue goes. Now 2nd blue and 3rd blue are over it. So once you square, here this is how you get it. 3 and 3. Again I'll show you. This is how the cards are. 1 red, 2 red, 3 red. Then you take, bring it back, keep it like this. Now this gap, this first card and this gap comes the first blue. 1 red, then comes this blue, then these 2 reds, then comes 1 blue and 2 blue. Clear? Now once you do it like this, this is how the sequence becomes. Hopefully it is clear. Now what you do, you turn it and say the top 3 are blue. To make it convincing, you show the top card. Actually what you are picking up is these 3 is blue, blue and red. You keep it here. Here what you are picking, 2 red and one is top, one is blue. You are keeping it here. So what you have got actually, here the top 2 are blue and the bottom one is red. Here bottom 2 are red and top one is blue. So you take here saying 1 blue, which is actually blue. Then here from here take blue, which red, which is in actually blue. Then this a blue. Then you take this is a red. This you take, which actually you say it is a blue, but it is basically a red. It's a red. So if you turn the entire thing, it is naturally turned into blue, 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 red, red, red. Hope I am clear. Then you square it and just keep the top 3 cards like this and these 3 cards like this. So this is how the first step, blue and red separate. Then comes the second one, which is little more difficult. What you do, again you fan the cards. So red 1, 2, 3 reds. Again you take it, do the same thing, keep it down. Now the gap you have made, in place of 1 card, earlier you put only 1 card, this time 1 red, 2 red, 3 red, 1 blue, 2 blue, 3 blue, all these 3 blues go inside the small pocket. Is it clear? Like this. So I'll show you again. See, 1 red, 2 red, 3 red. You do like this, bring it, keep it down back. Again this pocket is made. Say 1 blue, 2 blue, 3 blue. All these 3 blues, they have gone inside this pocket. So this pocket. So this is how now the card are in this sequence now. Okay. Now again you turn it. You say top 3 are blue and you pick up 3. To make it more convincing, what you do? You turn it. In actual, these 2 are blue and top one is red. Okay. So you keep it here, saying that these are all 3 blue. Again these 3 red. In actual, last 2 are red and this is blue. So keep it. Now you have to do kind of a sleight of hand to show all the cards are blue. What you do? For this, I'm in one of my previous videos, whose link you will get below and on this I button. You will get the way it is to be done, but just see it again for if you understand. You, with the tip of your finger, you push two cuts. See, two cuts are coming. Okay, and with your tip of your middle finger and forefinger, you hold it like this, and the tip of your thumb, you push two cuts. Here comes two. See, two cuts are coming, and show. Here are basically two cuts. So fast, you say, you speak like this: first blue, you keep it here, which is actually red. Second blue, you keep it here, which actually blue, and third blue. So actually here is a red, here is a blue, and here is a blue. Here again, these are two reds and one is blue. So again you do the same thing with the tip of your thumb. You push two cuts, and with the tip of your middle finger and forefinger, you hold it. See, two cuts are coming. You hold it. You say first one is red. You do it fast like this. It is, and you keep it. Now remember one very important thing for the blue things, blue card. You started from this side, from left to right. For red cards, what will you do? You will start from right to left. So say first red, then you keep it here. Then you say second red, you keep it here. Third red, you keep it here. So actually these two are red, and this one is blue. Now you say let's start mixing them. You say one red, one blue, one red, one blue, one red, one blue, and one red. And as you mix, they obviously separate properly. Hope it is clear. So this is how oil and water separates. Last thing, the last time, the way of mixing it, you keep this indeed separate. 3 blues separate, 3 reds separate. You take them, and then you do a kind of again a sleight of hand. This is very famous. The several illusionists in America Got Talent and British Got Talent have shown it in various performance of theirs. You use the tip of your thumb, the tip of your middle finger, and hold the deck here. Okay. Now what you have to do? Either you have to push the front card ahead, or you have to push the rear card ahead. You have to do it alternatively. First comes this, then comes this. First, then comes this, then comes this, then comes this, then comes this. Is it clear? One more time, we'll see. They're separate. 3 red, 3 blue. These two fingers are joining together, and either this is pushing, thumb is pushing, or middle finger is pushing. When middle finger is pushing, the last card will come out. When the thumb is pushing, first card comes out. When middle finger is pushing, the last card is coming. See, first you do the front one, then you do the second, then again you do the thumb, then again you forefinger, middle finger, then again the tip of thumb, and then again this. And that is how you mix the card. Hopefully you have enjoyed the entire tutorial, and if you like the video, kindly like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and obviously in coming days we'll come with many more exciting illusions and reveal them, explain them how to do with a detailed tutorial. Thanks for watching. This is Ratnadeep. Thank you very much.